Hi everyone, I'm Vishwanath. I just joined Emertxe in the last year, December.
I'm Ganavi from Davangere, studied in MS Engineering College. Basically, I'm from ECE branch.
Here, the mentors are very supportive. With the help of these mentors, I recently got placed in Boeing India. I thank everyone for this opportunity.
Now I got placed in the Boeing company. Emertxe is the good institute where it provides the good placement and good education.
The entry process was very smooth. Thanks to the mentors and everyone in Emertxe for getting placed in Boeing India.
The teaching methodology in Emertxe Institute is a highly practical and hands-on experience.
I would like to recommend Emertxe. The placements all depends on your skills and abilities. Can provide you training, but you have to make out of it and get placed in better company.
In my opinion, this is the best institute which provides good knowledge and a good placement. I would highly recommend Emertxe Institute and to land a job in the core embedded domain. Thank you, Emertxe.